Hello and welcome to a new episode of the ServerMiner Top 5 series. Today we are going to be taking a look at the best informational plugins. Informational plugins can be fun for players, but they can also be very useful in general or for admins. So let's check out our first plugin. Number 5. Color Tags. Color Tags is a plugin that allows you to color the name tags above players without the help of any external hooks or plugins. It also allows you to add prefixes to the name tag. Color Tags operates apart from any chat plugins you may have and solely affects the name tags. It's also completely permissions based, so you can give every group a unique color or prefix. If there are multiple possible colors or prefixes present, Color Tags will pick one randomly per group. Color Tags is very easy to set up and configure. You can add custom tags in a matter of seconds. 5th place for Color Tags. Number 4. Information Board. Information Board uses the new score display system to show various pieces of information on your screen. There are two variants, the admin and user information board, which are controlled by permission nodes. The user board solely shows game information, while the admin board also tracks server performance. It's German by default, but you can edit the messages very simply through the config files. Information Board is a simple plugin but can be very useful for your players or admins. 4th place for this wonderful plugin. Number 3. Stats. Stats is a plugin that tracks various statistics of your players to a MySQL database. These stats can then be shown using a command or sign. You can even show the combined stats for the entire server. Because this plugin uses a MySQL database, you'll have to activate yours from Multicraft. This is however very simple to do. Once the plugin is up and running, you don't have to do anything about it. It will just work. Everything, like resetting your data, also for other players, is controlled by permissions. A big thumbs up and 3rd place for stats. In 2nd place we have a plugin with a very broad range of uses, Found Diamond. Found Diamond broadcasts a message to a permissions group of your choosing when a player finds a certain ore. This is, of course, mainly useful for admin purposes, but it could be used in other situations as well. On top of that, Found Diamond can be configured to give extra rewards or buffs to all players when somebody finds diamond for an extra incentive. It even has some more functionality, like setting trap ore blocks to find out X-raying players, or disable block mining below a certain light level. All in all, this plugin has a great number of uses, so we suggest you check it out for yourself. 2nd place for Found Diamond. And finally on to number 1, Announcement. Announcement is, quite obviously, an announcing plugin. You probably know of some announcing plugin already. That's because announcing plugins are an essential part of any big server. Announcement allows you to automatically broadcast messages in chat with a certain interval. This might sound a bit useless, but in reality it has a lot of uses. Remind players to vote for your server, keep them updated about news related to your server, or link to your website every so often. Announcement is very easy to configure via a config file or through commands. A well-earned 1st place for Announcement. Please keep in mind that there are a lot of possible alternatives to this plugin. Some might fit your needs better than others. Let us know what your favorite announcing plugin is in the comments. Unfortunately, that means the end of yet another ServerMiner Top 5. Don't forget to leave a like and let us know what you think in the comments, or check out previous episodes of the ServerMiner Top 5 in the Top 5 playlist. Thank you so much for watching. If you want your own Minecraft server, get it cheap at serverminer.com, and we will see you in the next Top 5.